Welcome back editors. Today I will show you how to get that advanced AE texture text look in Alight Motion. Honestly, after this tutorial, your text will look more professional and aesthetic. I have also included a free XML. It will be unlocked as soon as we hit 50 likes on this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it.
backyard, in the backyard. Yeah, yeah, I'll take you where you wanna go. Get my passport, get my passport. Waiting for you, keep so waiting for you. I'm so close to breaking through. Won't stop waiting, waiting for you. She told me she wanna. Yeah. She told me she wanna. Party to the sun. See you vibing with me, I just wanna see what's up. We just started dancing and I think I fell in love. We won't get this moment back, so please lift up my cup. Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you really wanna see the sun? I see you vibing with me, so what's up? We just started dancing, fell in love. But we don't have to do it if you don't mind. Do you really wanna see the sun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? The DJ keep playing the music. She throwing it back, she too thick. The way she move, she ruthless. She straight to the point like a toothpick. She asked me to take us a photo, only if I can take you to Ruth Chris. She laughed and said, that's funny though, we got a deal if you bring the music. We put our cups in the air like we don't care, like we in the 90s. Stars in the sky, I'm feeling so high. The lights on the screen are just blinding. I don't even care, caressing your hair, enjoying the night 'cause we vibing. Not worried about tomorrow at all, 'cause we gonna party to the sun. See you vibing with me, I just wanna see what's up. We just started dancing and I think I fell in love. We won't get this moment back, so please lift up my cup. Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you really wanna see the sun? I see you vibing with me, so what's up? We just started dancing, fell in love. But we don't have to do it if you don't mind. Do you really wanna see the sun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun?
Sometimes it feels like I should know how to walk on water. Sometimes it feels like I should know how to move the mountains. But the seasons keep on going and the rivers keep on flowing and the wind keeps on blowing. And this beat, it stays in motion, like my lyrics keep on flowing and this rhythm keeps on going. Yeah, ain't nobody else, ain't nobody else. I keep it to myself, we don't gotta tell, no, nobody else, nobody else about you and I, yeah, you and I.
Okay guys, so that's how you create professional texture text on mobile. Remember, the XML will be available in the description once we hit 50 likes. So make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you have not. Drop your ideas in the comment section. What should I cover in the next video? I will pick the best one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.